Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a background or a wallpaper on your desktop that looks just like this. All of these wallpapers are super easy to make, and there's one type of, I wouldn't say it's a software, it's actually a website you need to go to make it, and you can find that in the first link in the description. I'll leave a link down there to the page where you need to go. And once you click on it, it'll bring you to this page right here, designer.gravit.io, and it'll ask you to log in or create an account. I believe it'll ask you to create an account. If you already have an account, just log in. I have an account, so I'm just gonna log in real quick. So once you're logged in, it'll bring you up to this page right here. You want to find out the aspect ratio of your screen. So for me, since I have a very big monitor, I'm going to put 3,440, 1,440. You can put whatever the size of your monitor is. I cannot help you with that. You guys gotta figure that out by yourself. And you want to switch it to pixel. You're gonna click create. And once you're at this page, what you gotta do, you gotta go to Google and type in your aspect ratio. So for me, 3440 by, which is X, 1440 wallpaper. And once you type that in, it'll bring up a bunch of images right here. And in this tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you how to make this image I've got on my desktop right here. It's super simple. And once you find a background image, like I don't see it here, but I'm going to put Windows 10. You don't have to put that part, but once I type in Windows 10, I do get this nice red and blue Windows 10 logo I got right here. So you're going to right click on the image you want, go down to save image as, then you're going to come over here and name whatever you want. So I'm going to blue and red background. You guys can name it whatever you want, and then choose where you want to put it. So I'm going to put it in my desktop. So then you're going to click save. It should appear at the bottom left hand corner if you did it correctly. And then what you're going to want to do, you're going to come to your canvas in Gravit, and you're going to go to File, down to Import, Place Image, and you're going to go to where you saved it. I saved it in my desktop, so I will find it here. And I have my blue and red background. So I click that, and I click Open. It should appear, and since it's the exact size of my canvas, it fits perfectly. You just want to click off to the side in this little gray area right here, and then go up to here to add a new layer. It's in the Layers tab right here. So you're going to click that, and now you have Layer 0. So then you're going to make sure you click on Layer 0 so it's highlighted in gray, and you're going to find another image. Go to Google and type in whatever you want to be transparent. So let's say I want an Among Us character transparent. So I can just type that in. As we did for this image right here, you're going to go here, click on it, right click, and then save image as. But I'm not going to do that since I already have a picture. I actually opened up another Gravit.io page, and I made this image right here. Let me pull it up real quick. So guys, I made this image right here. It's of Rick Astley, and I don't want the background because it leaves these white spaces on the sides like this, and we do not want those. So what you're going to want to do is, well, this is in Paint, so I'm going to, on Google, I'm going to open up another Gravit.io page, and every time you open it up, after you sign up for an account, say, get started, just click that, and then you can click Open Recent to open your recent files. And I got two files right here. I believe this is the one I want. Yes, it is, and as you can see, it's already transparent in the background. But what you need to do, you need to come over here to opacity, and it should look like 100. So if I do make it back to 100, it just becomes white. But that is not what we want. What we want is to make it 0. That's what I did, and now it's transparent. And the way you save your image, once you paste your either transparent image or image you made with another graphic designer, you come over here to File in your finished product. So I have this transparent image here. You're going to click File, then Export File, PNG image. It's going to just download it right here, and then you have your background for what you want your wallpaper to be. Then you're gonna click on File, Import, Place Image, and you're going to find your image right here. So it's called Rick Astley 2 or Rick Astley Art 2. So I'm gonna click that, and now you can see I have a transparent Rick Astley image. So then what I'm gonna want to do is, you can see this is super simple. I have the picture of Rick Astley, the transparent one I got from the other tab of Gravit Designer. We will not be needing that anymore. Yes, changes will be saved. And then I have my layer, which I believe I don't even need, so I can throw that away if I can, if it'll let me. Of course it won't. And then you need your background. So I got this background, and I got my transparent image of whoever I want on there. So you guys can add whichever transparent image you want and put it there. But once you're all ready to make it into your wallpaper, come up here to File, go down to Export, and go to PNG image.png, and you're going to get a little download right here. Then you're going to go to your Windows your Start button, or you can just click Start on your keyboard. Then type in Settings, and then it's going to bring you up to this page, and you're going to type in Wallpaper, and you're going to click the bottom one or wherever it appears. Choose your desktop background, and then you can click Browse, and then you can bring up the picture you want. So I have this picture I want right here that I made before, so I can click Choose Picture. So I have this picture that I got right here, so that is my background now, and as you guys can see, it actually worked, and that's my background. So I hope you guys did like this tutorial. If you did, please remember to leave a like so I know you like my tutorials, so I continue making tutorials. And if you want to get notifications whenever I make a tutorial on how to do things like this, then subscribe and turn on post notifications, and you'll get instant notifications whenever I post a video, like just when I do it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.